Ever since I was a little girl, I just knew. I've always known I was that girl before people were even saying it. I didn't need the world to tell me because I was already her. Life wasn't easy, but because I felt something deeper calling me, I stopped waiting to be chosen and I chose myself. I started designing the life that I deserve, piece by piece, thought by thought, because nothing changes until your mind does. I didn't wait for proof. I became the proof. And this is the life that I built from the vision that started at 13. Girl, wake up. You have a meeting. You want to be 30, right? This is 30. Where am I? Oh, shit. Oh. Store launch. What store? Dreamland purchase. Family combo. 7 in Serenity swim lessons. There's no way I'm a mom. Like, look at the body. There's no way I'm a mom. There's no way I'm a mom. Ericka J. Okay. And I see Ericka J here. 7-figure month. No way. No way this is true. 30th birthday party. Video showing Trina. Oh no. Where's the proof? Show me the proof. Show me.
Now keeping y'all in this up.
When I was 13, I didn't know a name for what I was doing, but I was already manifesting. I was already visualizing and becoming. I wanted to be grown, loved, and powerful. Now I am. Not because it was easy, but because I believed it before I even saw it. I made a wish at 13 and I stuck to it. Through pain, setbacks, and doubt, I never stopped building the life I saw. This birthday isn't just a celebration. It's a reminder that faith works, vision multiplies, and belief is the real glue that holds dreams together. For years, I prayed for a seat at someone else's table, waiting to be picked, waiting to be seen. But the moment I realized my value, I stopped asking. I built my own table, and now I decide who eats, who pours into me, and who gets a seat. This is my harvest, and it's just the beginning.
Mrs. Ain't No Other Hold. What would you tell your 13-year-old self?
What I would say to my 13-year-old self is, trust yourself. Never doubt yourself. You're doing something you've never seen done before in front of you. So of course it feels scary sometimes, but you are guided. Anchor yourself in the truth. No hater, no devil, no distractions can stop what God already promised. You are the blueprint, baby girl, and you don't need to wait on anybody to crown you, because you are her.
I used to dream of this when I had nothing but glitter and glue. You don't get what you want, you get who you become. I carved this life out of pain, purpose, and belief. To my supporters, this journey has never been just mine. Every like, share, comment, DM, call, prayer, it has carried me here. You watch me grow, stumble, rise, and evolve into who I am today. I don't take your love lightly at all. This moment is proof of what we built together, and it's only the beginning. From my soul to yours, thank you. And I love you. Mwah.